In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the homepage on BigCommerce. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside BigCommerce's page builder so you can confidently update content, rearrange sections, and refresh your store's look without touching code. Start by going to your store's admin URL and logging into your BigCommerce dashboard with your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Storefront, then choose My Themes. Under your active theme, click Customize. This opens the page builder, sometimes called the theme editor, where all your homepage editing will happen. Before you begin, make sure you're actually editing the homepage. At the top of the editor, there's a page dropdown. It should say Homepage. If it doesn't, click the dropdown and select Homepage so your changes apply to the right place. Now let's edit what's already there. Hover over any section, like a banner, text block, image, or product grid, and click the pencil icon to open its settings. From here, you can swap images, update the headline and description, adjust buttons and links, and fine-tune layout, background colors, and spacing. If you need to remove something, use the trash bin icon. To reorder content, grab the drag handle on the left side of a section and move it up or down until it's in the perfect spot. If you want to add new content, open the widgets panel on the left and drag what you need into the layout. Popular picks for a homepage include a banner or hero section, image plus text blocks, product carousels, featured products, category tiles, newsletter sign up, testimonials, videos, standalone buttons, and a contact block. After placing a widget, click into it to customize the content, links, and design so it matches your brand. For your main hero banner, click the banner section and upload a new image. 1920 by 1080 pixels, or similar works well for most themes. Then edit the title and subtitle, set your call to action button text and link, choose an overlay color for readability, and pick an alignment such as centered left or right. To control which products appear on the homepage, open any featured products or new products section. You can source items from a product group, pick specific products, or pull from a category collection. Adjust the number of columns and rows to control how many items display. For broader styling, open theme styles or styles in the left panel. Here you can update background colors, button styles, fonts, header and footer settings, link colors, borders, and icons. These changes apply site-wide. When you're done, click Save in the top right and publish if your theme requires it. Your homepage updates are now live.